Hi, and welcome to the second of the series tutorials on collecting and visualizing urban informatics and modeling data. This tutorial will teach you how to create a city from a satellite image using Maproom within 3ds Max. If you haven't already created a Maproom icon or added licenses and tokens, please see the previous How to Knowledge Capture guide before following this tutorial. Once opening your fresh 3ds Max file, you want to click on your Maproom icon. This will open up a new window where we can change all the settings and add our city map in. Once Maproom opens, you want to select the option Open Satellite Street Map. And the Maproom icon will appear in your viewport. If you make the perspective view larger, it'll be easier to see the satellite image once we do bring it in. Then select Maproom OpenStreetMap plus Satellite. Then find location by name. You can also find location by longitude and latitude if you know the area's longitude and latitude. In the search field, type in your location that you're wanting to bring the map in for. And enter, and then select the location, Footscray, Victoria, double click, and that will bring the location in. Then click Update Space and Scene. And that will save the location that we've selected. Then by going into the option OSM001, here you'll be able to pop in the size of the area you're wanting for your satellite image. So at the moment it's 10 by 10, but you can make this any size you want. You also want to click Include Point Data, leaving the layer option here as layer. And then in this drop down, selecting all the options that you're wanting to show on your map. Now because I'm focusing on urban density for this one and heights of buildings, I'll just be popping on building heights and anything in relation to that. Once you've selected everything you like, click OK. Down here at Style Sheet, drop down menu, select SYS OMS_style sheet. Apply the style sheet and then update the data by clicking this option here. This will begin to load everything we've just selected. It may take some time. You will then see it slowly start to appear in your viewport. Obviously, the more options you do select on, the longer it will take because it needs to bring all the data in that's being selected in that area. And again, the area size will also have an effect on this. As you can see, it starts to build up the city and everything we've selected. Now we want to add in the satellite image so that we can build upon that. So by selecting Terrain 001, changing the pixels, so the higher obviously the better. Just go 1000. Selecting Estimate Zoom Level. Image source, we want to select it Bing. And then update the map image. This will bring in the satellite image. As you can see, that's loaded in the satellite image of the area, which was Footscray in Victoria. As you zoom in, you'll be able to see. If you're wanting to add more to the map or build it up a bit more as well, what you can do, going back to OMS001, selecting the drop down arrow, you can select additional or remove any of the options here and then select OK. And then again, just clicking the download the data, and it will start to download more data and build the city up. But as mentioned before, it does take some time depending on the size. By selecting apply style sheet once more, this will again start to build it up, and as you can see, the areas highlighted is where it's currently working on, and that will change as it loads through the Maproom program, as you can see here. Once this is complete, you can apply style sheet as many times as you like to build it up, depending on what you're using the map for. If you're wanting to get rid of the satellite image itself, you have two options. You can either simply click and delete, or right click and hide selected. And that's how you can use Maproom to create a city and build up either density or what you're needing in Maproom itself. Thanks.